Modify the time zone of your monitor model with these simple steps. If you have just acquired your monitor model, you might have noticed that your sensor sent a different time than the real one. This is because the default configuration has a Greenwich time zone. To modify this, you just have to follow a series of very simple steps. First, connect the computer to the same network as your monitor model. This can be done wirelessly. On the computer, open any browser and type the IP address of your monitor model. This information can be found on the screen of your gateway. By clicking Enter, you will be directed to this configuration page where you can locate the time zone that corresponds to your location. Select your time zone and click Save Settings to finish. Your monitor model will restart immediately and all the signals transmitted by it will begin to have the time that you have configured. We hope this information has been useful to you. For more details about our products and softwares, please visit the Erbessd Instruments website.